Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by eliminating the easy causes. First, make sure iOS is up to date. An outdated system often breaks Safari behavior. Once done, force close Safari and restart the iPhone to flush temporary glitches. Next, clear Safari history and website data to remove corrupted caches and cookies. This resolves many loading and rendering problems immediately. Also test pages on both cellular and Wi-Fi, so you know whether the issue is network-related before moving to deeper fixes. Now you'll tackle system and configuration causes. Reset network settings if pages hang or DNS fails. This clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN entries, but keeps your data. Then disable any VPNs, content blockers, or Safari experimental flags. These often interfere with scripts or certificates. Make sure JavaScript is enabled under Settings Safari Advanced and remove stubborn site data there. Once those are adjusted, re-attempt loading problematic sites and note any improvement before moving to system-level resets. Finish by escalating cleanly. If Safari still misbehaves, choose Reset All Settings to restore defaults without erasing media. This often clears stubborn preference conflicts. If that fails, back up your iPhone and perform a DFU restore to reinstall iOS completely. This eliminates firmware-level corruption. Make sure to test Safari between steps so you don't overdo restores. Troubleshooting tip: if anything goes wrong, stop and contact Apple support or visit a Genius Bar. They can run diagnostics and protect data before deeper repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.